We have designed a website that educates pediatric residents on the legislative process for child advocacy. In this video, we will demonstrate how a user would learn about the bill approval process up until the committee actions page, and then how to get involved specifically with the current bill on immunizations. We will be using a mouse to navigate the website. The landing page consists of a title, Legislative Child Advocacy, and buttons. Here we have the title at the top and the 4 categories for legislative child advocacy. Those 4 categories are Learn, Get Involved, Current Bills, and Find Your Representatives. I'm going to move my cursor over the Learn box where a description of that section appears, where it says, learn about the legislative process from how a bill is created until it is signed into law. I'm going to click on that box. I'm presented with 2 options, how a bill is created and the bill approval process. Using the mouse, I hover over the bill approval process and select it. I am now presented with the 6 steps of the bill approval process. I would like to know what the first reading of a bill entails. I use the mouse to select first reading. Now I am presented with information on the first reading, as well as a button that reads Next Rules Committee to continue learning more about the bill approval process. I use the mouse to select Next Rules Committee. Here I view information on the Rules Committee. At the bottom I can choose Next to learn about the Standing Committee. Now, if at any time I wanted to go back to a certain page, such as first reading, I could select that at the top of this page underneath the title. If I wanted to return home, I could do that as well. I'm going to continue moving through this website though by using the mouse to select Next Standing Committee. I am shown Standing Committee information as well as the next button to Committee Actions. I use the mouse to select Next Committee Actions. I can now learn about the committee actions. I can continue learning more about the bill approval process by selecting Next Second Reading, but I would like to, at this point, learn how to get involved. So I use the mouse to select the Home button at the top left of the page under the title Legislative Child Advocacy. I am back to the home page where I can learn about getting involved. I use the mouse to hover over the Get Involved button. As the cursor moves over this box, a description is presented saying, learn how to get your idea into a bill. Explore child health and safety current bills before legislature. I select that button using the mouse. Here I am presented with 2 options, have an idea and current bills. I want to get involved with current bills, so I select the button with my mouse. I can now see 2 current bills, HB 221 immunization and HB 263 booster seats. I want to get involved with the HB 221 immunization bill, so I select it using the mouse. Here I am presented with a description of the bill, as well as its current status. The bill states that it is currently in standing committee. I see that the words in standing committee are a link by the color of the text. I want to review what in standing committee means again, so I use the mouse to select that link. I am taken to the 6 steps of the bill approval process. I select standing committee, and I am presented again with the information on in standing committee to review the status of the HB 221 immunization bill. I have now successfully navigated the website to the point where I have learned about the legislature bill approval process, as well as how to get involved with the current bill on immunizations. Thanks for watching.